Futures and options on futures trading involve substantial risk and is not a suitable investment for all types of investors. Past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. When I use the word I in this video, it refers to what I teach in my charting course or what I author in my twice daily oral and written updates. Prices shown on charts and quote boards are in real time and take into account all known activity up to this point in time. And if you'd like to read more of this disclaimer, simply hit the pause key on your video player. Good morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Tuesday, July 31st, 2018, and the time just about 9:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Let's go, if I could, first to the data. The consumer confidence came out at 127.4. They're expecting 125.5, and the prior month was revised higher. The expectation index, 101.7, with the prior month revised to 104 from 103.2, and the present situation index, 165.9, prior month revised higher too. Everything good on this report. The Chicago PMI came out at 65.5. The market expected 62.3. Economic data is good. But here is the issue of the day that you want to watch. U.S. tariffs on $16 billion of additional goods from China, which is set to go into place literally now, has been put on hold for a minute as word is that behind the scenes, China and the U.S. are talking about trade. And trade sources said that the technical trade meetings will continue tomorrow between the U.S. and Mexico, while ministerial levels between the U.S. could take place Thursday, as both sides are getting much closer to striking a deal, which would be great for the market. And that is one of the reasons the stock market is taking off. It's another blow to gold, if you will. As I see it for the industrials, this would be good news, and they're up in the industrial sector. The dollar getting a bid with the euro sitting still. And again, you've got the Bank of England coming out Thursday with their monetary policy statement. A lot of people think they're going to raise rates. You're not getting much of a bid, though, in that market. And as I said, the yen under some pressure because they didn't change their monetary policy at all. They just sat still. They literally tweaked a few words, but not enough, as I'm reading at least, to know what that means in terms of changing the policy in a big way. I think they just gave themselves more flexibility. And if you look at the bonds and notes, pretty stable off of what they did. But probably the news of the day affecting the soybean market for the exports, could that have a friendly meaning for everything in the U.S.? Well, there's always that possibility. Now, Modern Trader has technical trading tips for the top pros. It's a special publication they put out with ideas on the Gann square of 9. What does it mean for the NASDAQ 100? You come to the absolute benefits of relative strength. I happen to use slow stochastics, but the concepts are the same. How do you optimize stops? That's always something you want to read about and learn about. How do you get this? Give us a call. You can go to our website and you'll see the different offerings we have. Just choose them and away you go from there. And you can always click right up here if you're watching me on YouTube, the icon right there. It'll take you right to that page. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a good day, and I'll see you this afternoon.